Hey there, folks! It's Anna here, your tech guide from the For Real channel. Ever found yourself lost in a jungle of screenshots with random file names on your iPhone? You know, those names that make absolutely no sense and are impossible to search? Yeah, we've all been there. On any Apple device, be it your Mac, iPad, iPhone, or even your Apple Watch, the naming convention for screenshots is, well, pretty chaotic. But here's the good news, folks. Apps like Photos and Files have become super efficient nowadays. So much so, you can actually rename your photos or screenshots on your iPhone just like you would on your desktop. Hey, if you're finding this video useful, why not give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button? We'd love to see you in our For Real community. And remember to leave a comment if you have any questions or just want to say hi. We always love to hear from you. Now for the fun part, renaming those screenshots on your iPhone. We stumbled upon this hidden gem and we can't wait to share it with you. You can easily rename screenshots on your iPhone right at the time the screenshot is captured. Here's how to do it. First, navigate to the web page or image you want to screenshot. Quickly press and release the side button and volume up button. Then tap the screenshot preview that pops up in the bottom left corner. In the top right corner of the image editor, you'll see the share icon. Tap that. Now, under the name of the screenshot, you'll see the option to rename. Tap on that, enter a new name, and then hit done. But what if you want to rename your photos on your iPhone? It's been a feature for a while now, but the process is a bit more involved. Let's start by opening the Photos app on your iPhone. Next, find and select the image you want to rename. You'll see the Share Sheet icon in the bottom left corner. Tap on that. Next, scroll down and tap Save to Files. Move to the location where you wish to save the photo. At the bottom of the page, tap the image title and enter a new name for the photo. Finally, tap the Done button on your virtual keyboard. And guess what? You don't need any third-party apps to rename your photos anymore. That's right. Apple has come a long way with its built-in features, and you no longer have to worry about any third-party app accessing your photos. Plus, Apple's on-device security ensures all your photos stay safe. And that's it for today's tutorial, folks. Now go out there and conquer your iPhone photo library. Organize it, name it, and make it work for you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to For Real for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, stay tech savvy.